Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Microsoft has just unveiled a groundbreaking tool for finance team everywhere. Introducing Microsoft Copilot for Finance, this addition to the Copilot series within Microsoft 365 is set to revolutionize the way finance team manage their daily tasks. Following the successful launches of Copilot for Scale and Copilot for Service, now widely available, the aim is to simplify the lives of finance professionals by automating routine tasks, offering intelligent recommendations, and providing guided action precisely when they are needed. Before that, if you are really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with us that I will discuss in later part of this video.
Want to nail the next presentation at your office? Yes, it is possible if you start integrating ChatGPT and AI tools in delivering your presentation and making your presentation as well.
Now let's come back to the update that finance team serves as a backbone of any company, making critical decisions that shapes its future. However, a staggering 80% of finance leaders feel overwhelmed by the pressure to contribute more strategically beyond their regular operational tasks. Additionally, 62% of finance professionals find themselves bogged down in the tedium of data entry and endless review cycles. Enter Copilot for Finance, swooping in to save the day. Its mission is to free a finance team to focus on strategic advising and insights by streamlining financial process and automating workflows. At its core, Copilot for Finance enhances the capabilities of Excel, Outlook, and other key productive apps with specialized workflows and data insights tailored for finance pros, leveraging data from traditional enterprise planning systems like Microsoft Dynamics 365 and SAP, as well as the Microsoft Graph. It provides contextual insight crucial for financial operations. Public preview of Copilot for Finance comes with some impressive features designed to enhance financial operations. For starters, it simplifies variance analysis in Excel, allowing financial analysts to use natural language prompts to identify anomalies, risks, and discrepancies in dataset. This analysis is vital for providing a strategic insight to business leaders on financial performance. It also streamlines the reconciliation process in Excel with automated data structure comparisons and guided troubleshooting, enabling finance teams to swiftly move from insights to action, ensuring the reliability and accuracy of financial records. You all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Moreover, it offers a comprehensive summary of relevant customer account details in Outlook, speeding up the collection process. Additionally, it facilitates transformation of raw data in Excel into presentation-ready visuals and report shareable across Outlooks and Teams. Microsoft Copilot offering all about helping workers efficiently navigate from insights to impact with data and workflows specific to their roles. According to the latest Work Trend Index survey, people are drowning in data, spending about a quarter of their day searching for information, yet only half of the information they come across is deemed necessary for their jobs. Copilot aims to break down these information silos, actively deriving insights, recommendations, and guidance from the various data sources, all while adhering to Microsoft's responsible AI principles. Business like Dentsu, Lumen Technologies, Northern Trust, Skinter Electric, and Visa are already reaping the benefits of Copilot across their sales, service, and finance department. For example, Dentsu sees potential in a Copilot for Finance to boost the efficiency of their finance professionals by optimizing routine process. Northern Trust highlights the transformative impact of Copilot for Service on their digital workplace and clients' relation. While Visa is excited about the prospects of rolling out generative AI across the company, having seen positive outcomes from their broad deployment of Copilot for Microsoft 365, Microsoft itself is a testament to the power of AI in sales and service operations. Copilot for Sales has helped Microsoft's global sales team saved time and strengthened customer relationship with AI-supported insights. Similarly, Copilot for Service has modernized Microsoft on Character Center, enhancing service experiences and boosting agent productivity. This introduction of Microsoft Copilot for Finance is a significant step forwarding in streamlining financial process and surfacing insights for better informed decision making. As Microsoft Finance organization explores the capability of Copilot for Finance, the insights gained will continue to shape productive deployment and roadmap. The move to integrate AI tools like Copilot for Finance into business operations is more than just a trend. It's a strategic decision to empower employees, enhance efficiency, and create new business value. Companies of all sizes are transitioning from AI experimenting to full-scale adoption, recognizing the importance of empowering those closer to customer interaction and critical operations. To get started with the Copilot for Finance and learn more about how it can transform financial operations, interested parties are encouraged to visit the official preview page. This marks an exciting moment for the finance teams looking to elevate their strategic role within their organizations and for companies aiming to harness the power of AI to innovate and grow. That's a wrap up for our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Thanks for watching. This was Ushma. See you next time.